The 222 series connectors are designed for a nominal current of 32 amps. All of these connectors not only exceed the relevant normative requirements, but also provide an additional safety range compared to the normative minimum requirements. This safety range reflects Wago's high-quality requirements while providing maximum safety even in exceptional circumstances. For example, even in the case of an invalid overload of several times the nominal current, the connector's functionality is provided beyond the stability of other equipment. In the event of a failure of more than 3 times the nominal current, the conductor insulation melts and the wire starts glowing. This is not the case for Wago's 222 series splicing connector. Both the connector's electrical functionality and housing insulation remain intact. The connector housing will only melt after a prolonged overload and will eventually drop off the contact. The contact is still intact and the wires remain securely connected. Even after such an extreme test, the contact points continue to meet the normative requirements in terms of contact quality. Wago, quality from the inventor of spring pressure connection technology.